In today's digital landscape, understanding which product categories drive the most conversions on your website is crucial for optimizing sales. This is where the Waterfall Chart shines, offering a deeper look at conversions across different product categories. This waterfall chart provides a breakdown of total conversions for various product categories. We can instantly see that the exercise category leads in conversions, reaching close to 3.8K, followed by team sports and gardening with moderate contributions. On the other hand, categories like cocktail glasses and electronics have fewer conversions, indicating potential areas for growth or targeted promotions. But there's more. The different shades in the chart highlight increases and decreases in conversions. For example, the highest increase is in cocktail glasses, and while the smallest increase is exercise, giving a clear visual representation of how each category impacts the overall conversion rate. This insight allows businesses to identify which product lines are most successful and which ones may need strategic adjustments. The real power of this dashboard lies in its interactivity. By exploring other visuals on this dashboard, such as the age segment analysis or region-based visits, you can gain a comprehensive view of how various demographics and regions interact with different product categories, all in real time. By combining these insights, you can make data-driven decisions to tailor your marketing and inventory strategies more effectively. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.